What you're watching might be hard to believe. This entire video was edited by AI. I didn't open a single editing app, not even once. Every camera movement, every caption, and every sound effect was created automatically. It's honestly incredible how far AI has come. If you're wondering exactly how I made this video, stick with me until the very end because I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step. I won't skip any important details, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to edit your videos using AI from start to finish. So don't miss the ending. You won't want to miss the final tips that can make a big difference. Want to create high retention videos? You need to stop making boring, static cuts. Use advanced motion design. Let's create something incredible.
So you're going to go ahead and head on to Google Flow, click on New Project, and then from here, we're going to go over to Characters, all right? So right here, we are going to create our own character that we're going to use to generate this video. So you're going to come over to Upload Character. I'm going to upload my own character. So here's my image, then I'm going to click on the plus sign right here, this plus sign below. This to add my character, okay? And here is my image, okay? And I'm going to add my character. Now here, I'm going to give my character a name, and I'm going to name her Kayla, okay? And then I'm going to select a voice. So these are the voices that you can select from. So you can play them to preview the voices. So if you choose Fenry, you can play to
Hi there. We're introducing a new feature where I can read this aloud in a...
Okay, I'm going to select another voice. So I'm going to choose a more feminine voice. I chose Sulifat. Now here, we are going to give it some prompts. So this is the prompt I gave. I said, for this sample dialogue, in this video, I'll show you how to edit your videos using AI. And then this is my customized performance, okay? This is how I want her to speak, a female Nigerian voice with an authentic Nigerian English accent, not British or American, confident, energetic, expressive, and engaging, okay? This is the prompt I gave it. And then I'm going to save the voice, okay? You can also preview the voice. So you can preview the voice.
In this video, I'll show you how to edit your videos using AI.
Okay, so we've gotten our voice and then we are done. So for here, you're going to describe how your character acts. It's actually optional. It depends on you, but I'm just going to add something. So I just added a little prompt here. I said maintain friendly eye contact, subtle facial expressions, and natural hand gestures throughout. Okay. Then you're going to come over here to click on done. So now we have our character. So for our video generation, you can see that our character has been added here. So for our video generation, we're going to be making use of OmniFlash, which is the latest video generation version from Google Flow. Okay, and we're going to be working with 16:9, and then we're going to generate for 10 seconds. So the next thing, I'm going to go ahead and copy my master prompt and paste here. Now for you to get access to my master prompt, click on the link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment to get access to my Google Doc for you to get access to the master prompt. So here is my master prompt. It's a bit lengthy, but you're just going to go ahead and copy everything, okay? So you're going to copy everything right here and then paste in the box, okay? So you're going to start from here and copy all the way down. Okay, select all. I'm going to select this part of it. So I'm going to copy my prompt. Okay, so here I have my master prompts already pasted here. Now I'm going to scroll over to the part where my dialogue is. Okay, yes, right here. Now this part where I said, if the script contains the placeholder bracket, in this bracket, I'm going to paste what I want her to say. what I want the image to say. Okay, so this is where I want. This is what I want the image to say. What you are watching might be hard to believe. This entire video was edited by AI and all of that. Okay, so this part where I said tweak this to features, you can take it out. You can take that part out. So you are going to put in what you want your character to say. Okay. Okay. So I did not copy the entire prompt. So I'm going to copy gradually. And then what you are watching might be hard to believe. Here, I said, okay. I said, I didn't open a single editing app, not even once. Every cut, every camera movement, every animation. So I didn't finish it. I just want to stop there so that every word will be able to fit in that particular video. Okay. So with all of this set up for my video, model, I'm using OmniFlash. And I'm generating one video so as to save my credit, which costs 15 credit per video. I'm using the 16:9 aspect ratio. Okay. And then with this, I'm going to generate. Okay, so my video is ready. So again, we're going to copy our master prompt again. Select our agent. Okay, let me select the agent, which is scalar. Add to prompt. Then I'm going to paste my master prompt. So I have to go over to the part where I need to impute the dialogue, okay? So I'm going to first of all clear this out. Okay. So here is where I'm imputing my dialogue. Okay, now, okay, so we have everything in place. OmniFlash, 10 seconds. All right, so, and then I'm going to generate. So while our video is generating, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead to subscribe to this channel, because this is your own little way of supporting this channel and encouraging me to do more and to do my best. And if you have not liked this video, please go ahead to like this video and hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload new video. So my second video is ready. Now I'm going to go ahead to impute the dialogue again, because my dialogue, I still have some dialogues, and okay. And then, so you just go ahead and continue choosing your character, and then add your master prompt, and then add your dialogue. So when that is done, you generate again. So you're going to do this repeatedly until all your dialogue is complete. So with this, you'll be able to generate all your videos. Okay, now I've generated all my videos, and all you need to do is to go ahead and download it. So I'm going to click on this first one.
Want to create?
Come over here to download. Over here to download your video. And then go over to the second video. Click on the download button. And to the third.
Stick with me until the very end.
And then to the last video. Just download. So now when you're done downloading all your videos, you're going to go over to any editing app of your choice, either InShot or CapCut, to merge all the videos together. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Here is my InShot. I'm going to select the videos. So I'm using InShot. I've done some cutouts for some unwanted parts that I don't want in this video. And all you need to do, you go ahead and export your video, and that is for that. So I hope you have been able to enjoy this tutorial. If you do, don't forget once again to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload new video. And until I see you again in my next video, Bye.